Differences between R squared and adjusted R squared. R squared versus adjusted R squared. Definition of R squared is that it can measure goodness of fit of linear model. R squared D is also called as coefficient of determination, while definition of adjusted R squared is that it is corrected goodness of fit model for accuracy and measure for linear model. The range of R squared and adjusted R squared are same, which is in between 0 and 1, which means that both measures can't be negative. R squared and adjusted R squared, both measures explained variation of model. R squared and adjusted R squared both are used in regression analysis. The degrees of freedom of R squared and adjusted R squared are same, such as sum square regression degree of freedom is k-1, sum square residual degree of freedom is n-k, and total sum square degree of freedom is n-1. The formula of R squared and adjusted R squared are given. You can also use alternative formula of R squared and adjusted R squared for recheck your answer and for quick calculations. Here is the example of regression analysis of time series data by using Stata software. In previous example, R squared is equal to 0.3525 and adjusted R squared is equal to 0.2805. By putting values of R squared to get value of R is equal to 0.5925. By putting all values of SS residual and SS total, we get R squared value of 0.3525. By putting all values of MS residual and MS total, we get adjusted R squared value is equal to 0.2805. The R squared is 0.3525, which is explained variation of model, and remaining 0.6475 is unexplained variation of model, which goes to error term of model. The R squared value is positive and it is low because there are more independent variables to add in model. Still, it is positive and measure goodness of fit of linear regression model. The adjusted R squared value is 0.2805. The difference of R squared and adjusted R squared is 0.0720. It is because of n-1 divided by n-k term, which will vary in models of your choice. Still, it is positive and corrected goodness of fit of model for accuracy and measure for linear regression model. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.